Here's a quick note on harvesting seeds and saving seeds. This is an arugula plant that's really gone tall and spindly. It's got nice little flowers on here. These flowers, every single one of these little pods that are on this stem were once a flower that got pollinated. Now we're waiting for these to dry out. Notice the plant is still very green. These are not ready yet. Typically I wait until these have completely dried. I want to show you inside of one of these pods. Come in really close and look at this pod. I'm going to try and be really gentle, kind of slice it open, and I'll open it up and show you the seeds inside of there. Okay, these seeds are not fully formed yet and are not ready to be saved. So you really need to note the timing of seed saving. It corresponds with the end of the season when everything has gone to seed and then completely dried out. What I could do is I could cut off this stem, bring it inside or leave it on something, but I actually like to wait for nature to run its course and actually let these pods will completely dry out. The outer jacket will be completely dry and brown, and then you can go harvesting the seeds from the inside.